Guys, Ocugen is a company that makes me absolutely ambitious about the future and even possibly the near future as well. I love talking about stocks that are going to benefit us in the future and in the short term. They make me extremely excited. Hello there everyone, welcome to Market Craze. I hope everyone is having a great day. If you're new around here, welcome to the channel. If you're a returning member, welcome back. Now guys, today we are going to be talking about the company Ocugen. I think that's how you say their name, with the ticker symbol OCGN. They've gotten a lot of stock analyst praise, which is one of the reasons why their stock absolutely surged up on Friday. And one of the main reasons why they're getting so much praise is because of their possible vaccine to a very interesting virus that we've all been having to deal with. But before I get into that, if you guys don't mind subscribing, only 7% of you guys are subbed and 93% of you guys are not subscribed. I would really appreciate it if we could change that today. Let's make it 50-50, guys. And make sure you turn on those post notifications for daily stock updates and maybe even leave a like. But now that that's out of the way, let's talk about Ocugen. So Ocugen, ticker symbol OCGN, is a clinical stage biopharmaceuticals company focusing on the discovery, development, and commercialization of transformative therapies to cure blindness diseases. The company's pipeline product includes OCU200, which we'll get into in a minute, a novel fusion protein that is a preclinical development stage for the treatment of wet AMD, diabetic retinopathy, and diabetic macular edema. OCU400 to treat retinitis pigmentosa, a group of rare genetic disorders, and OCU410, which is in preclinical development stage for the treatment of dry AMD. Another thing about Ocugen that you guys as investors should probably know is Ocugen has a strategic partnership with CanSino Biologics for gene therapy co-development and manufacturing, and Bihart Biotech for the commercialization of the Covaxin, which is the most important part in this whole thing in the United States market. The company is headquartered in Pennsylvania. So you might be saying, well, Theven, what even is wet and dry AMD? And I'm going to go ahead and explain that to you guys right now. So wet macular degeneration, aka wet AMD, is a chronic eye disorder that causes blurred vision or a blind spot in your visual field. It is generally caused by abnormal blood vessels that leak fluid or blood into the macula. The macula is the part of the retina responsible for central vision. So obviously this is a huge deal. And obviously you can assume that it is pretty much the same thing with dry AMD. The only difference between wet and dry AMD is that dry AMD is more natural, whereas wet AMD is not, because dry AMD is just pretty much the thinning of the macula, which again causes the central vision where you pretty much see everything. And this is a very common thing in the USA. There's over 200,000 cases yearly of wet and dry AMD together. And that alone is something that I am extremely bullish on, because this could seriously help millions of people, especially if it is a common problem. This isn't just a stock that I see making a lot of money on and I think that I can make a nice turnover profit on, but this is a stock that I think could make millions of lives change, and that makes me want to invest in it even more. The fact that they have a very interesting vaccine, I obviously can't say what vaccine it is, that makes me even more bullish on them as well. And I think that they're just going to be a great company for the long run. I see them hitting around $6 come Monday morning. I think that they're finally getting the attention that they deserve. But I honestly see this stock being a $30 to $40 stock in the long run, which doesn't sound like a lot, right? But if you got in at like $1, $2, $3 and you're holding until it's 30 bucks, that is a nice return, even at $5 right now. But I love to see what you guys think about this in the comment section below. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and talk about this in the comment section, man. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for all your support recently. You guys are the best. And if you guys want to join the Craze Market Trading crew, go ahead and check out the link in the description. It has a Patreon. That way you can get in the Discord. Really appreciate that. Thanks, guys. Bye.